Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and flipping the keyboard. Remove USB or battery so nothing moves. Once done, locate the stabilized keys, space, shifts, enter, backspace, and position a keycap puller centered over the cap. Pull straight up with steady force. Arrest any side tilt, because stabilizer wires can catch. If the cap resists, stop and use a flat pry to nudge one edge while you lift the opposite side. Making that first clean removal prevents bent stems and saves time later. Once the keycap is off, you'll see the metal stabilizer wire clipped into two plastic housings. Depress one housing inward with a fingernail or small flat tool and slide the wire gently out of the opposite clip. Then release the depressed clip and remove the wire. Take note of orientation and any washers or inserts. If your stabilizers are screw-in or plate-mounted, make sure you support the board so housings don't move. Document parts positions with a quick photo for reassembly. You finish by taking the stabilizer housings off the plate or PCB. Press each retaining tab and pull the housing straight out, keeping the metal wire aside. Make sure to collect springs or inserts and group each key's components in labeled containers so reassembly is painless. Once all parts are free, inspect for bent wires or broken clips. If sockets are tight, apply a bit of isopropyl alcohol and let it sit briefly. Then coax with gentle heat. Do not force, or you risk cracking plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.